He bombed a German U-boat, then watched his plane burn in the ocean. What Flight Lieutenant David Hornell did next? It's the stuff of legends. June 24th, 1944. The freezing skies over Norway. Flight Lieutenant David "Pop" Hornell is flying a PBY Catalina, hunting Nazi U-boats. Suddenly, submarine port side. The crew spots German U-boat 1225. Hornell dives in. But the Germans open fire with 20mm and 37mm flak cannons. The Catalina is shredded. Radio blown, wings torn, one engine flaming. Still, Hornell pushes through. They charge the sub, guns blazing, tracers lighting up the sky. At the last second, he drops depth charges. Boom! Direct hit, U-boat destroyed. But now, they're flying a burning wreck. Hornell knows they won't make it home. He crash lands the Catalina into the raging sea. The crew scrambles into life rafts, but not all of them fit. Hornell and two men stay in the ice-cold water to keep the rest alive. They rotate shifts. Hornell takes the longest. He watches one of his men go delirious, then die. Still, he fights to keep the others alive. Flares are fired. No one sees them. Until finally, another Catalina spots them. A rescue boat is launched. Hours pass. The dinghy flips. Waves knock them out. Salt blinds them. They fight to hold on. After 21 hours, a rescue boat arrives. Hornell sees his crew saved. Then he smiles and slips into unconsciousness, never waking up again. For his heroism, David Hornell was awarded the Victoria Cross posthumously.